All right, everyone, let's get started on our number story for today. For today's number story, I'm going to talk about toy cars. Do you guys like playing with toy cars? I used to love playing with toy cars. I used to love playing with my brother, and we would crash them and play with them and do lots of different tricks with them. Again, today's story is going to be about toy cars, and make sure you are listening very, very carefully to the number story because you will have to retell the story to your families. So make sure your listening ears are on. Turn them on right now. Go bloop, bloop. And here is our number story for today. There were 10 toy cars on the rug. 6 of the toy cars were yellow. The rest of the toy cars were black. How many toy cars were black? Now, I hope you were really listening to the story because now I'm going to flip my paper over and you are going to retell the story to your families. Again, retell the story and pause the video right here. All right, friends, good job retelling the story. Go ahead and kiss your brains. I'm going to read the story one more time, and then I have a question for you. There were 10 toy cars on the rug. 6 of the toy cars were yellow. The rest of the toy cars were black. How many toy cars were black? Now, I have a question for you. This is my question. Are there more or less than 6 black toy cars? I'm going to read that one more time. Are there more or less than 6 black toy cars? What do you think? Take some time to think of an answer. Touch your brain, touch your chin. Are there more or less than 6 black cars? What do you think? So make sure you tell your families what your answer is and also why. Why do you think there are more than 6 black cars? Or why do you think there are less than 6 black cars? All right, so go ahead and tell your families right now and pause the video. Awesome, let's get back together. And now you know the deal. It is time to solve our number story. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, friends. How many steps? 4 steps. Step number 1, before you circle the key details, make sure you copy the whole number story on a piece of paper with a box to solve it and a box to write your number sentence. So again, step number 1, make sure you circle the key details. What's step number 1? You circle the key details. All right, so you look through the number story, circle any values, any numbers, or any phrases that will help you solve this number story. Circle any key details or clues. And then step number 2, think. What operation will you use? Are you going to use addition? Are we putting things together? Or are you going to use subtraction? Do we have to take away a part? Or can we use both operations somehow? Think. And then step number 3, you're going to choose a strategy. What's step number 3? Choose a strategy. And just like yesterday's number story, I want you to use not just one strategy. I want you to use 2 strategies. So I saw friends drawing a picture, and I also saw friends counting on from a bigger number. You can draw a picture and also use your manipulatives at home. You can even use a tens frame and your manipulatives, just as long as you have 2 strategies. How many strategies? 2 strategies. And last but certainly not least, step number 4, make sure you write your answer right here on the line and also write a number sentence that matches the number story. Yesterday, when friends were writing their answers, I just saw a number. Do we just write a number here? Not just a number. I saw other friends writing a complete sentence. That's great. I also saw friends writing the number and also the unit. What are we talking about in this number story? What do we want to know? We want to know how many toy cars were black. So your unit is going to be yellow cars? No, not yellow cars, because we already know how many yellow cars there are. There are 6 yellow cars. We want to know how many toy cars were black. So your answer has to be a number and then followed by black toy cars. So maybe the answer is 10 black toy cars or 15 black toy cars. So friends, make sure you write your unit. Make sure you write your unit. And then post your answers in the comments below. And I'm going to be in the comments typing out questions for you to answer. I can't wait to see all of your work. So good luck, friends.